So this is the Homer Harbor. Kind of a gray, ugly day today.
Like always. Boy, we just about lost our salmon the other day to a seal. Jumped up in the back deck of the boat and tried to take it from us.
Really? Last time we were over here is crabbing. Crab pot's still in the back of the boat, I see. So cold. No fish yet. Probably is. So normally this reel would be turned 90 degrees from the way it is, and then it's filled with net here, and the net goes over that, and then they'll run it out, and that's where they pull the fish in. Project Central right here.
There's a new kitchen, new galley.
Nice.
Yeah. Came out okay, huh?
Wow, that looks nice. And this keeps things from sliding off then?
Yeah, and it keeps the stuff, if you have to clean it, you can pull it all off and pull it off. So you can't have this all the way around or you make a sink.
And you just put this in, didn't you?
Yep. Okay. So see the bottom of that? I just put that in at the bottom of the day tank.
Oh, there, yeah.
That nipple with the ball valve on it.
Yeah.
So I got to run a line from there up to there to run my 2 new stoves that I put in there. So those are my 2 heaters that'll heat the up here, the cabin, keep the windows from fogging up. So
Sleeping bunks here.
Yep.
So this is in the bathroom. There's a diesel tank there. We just drilled a hole through the wall. It goes underneath there, and it goes up to 2 heaters there. And then one of the heaters comes through here. Oh, the other one's going to come through and go into here. Back of the boat there. We're up here assessing. We're going to put a propane tank right there, and how we're going to get propane line down. What we're looking at. Batteries go in there. Passengers or sleep place. Drive boat. It's a little landing craft. It's a big enough landing craft that I can put my Argo on the front of this. That gets me excited right there. And this drops down. Comes up here, and there's the lift gate that drops down.